Hello and welcome to the 7th JS LEGO MOCs video, and today we'll be reviewing a truck camper that I just built. So, let's jump right into it. Here's the truck camper. It is built around a red truck that we had built before. We don't really have very many wheels, which is sort of sad because we often build trailers and stuff, but I'm also hoping for that on my birthday / Christmas list. And yeah, so on the outside here we have air conditioning, a radar dish, which is sort of a funky radar dish that I just made up, and here's a fan to keep you cool. And yeah, so there's another one of my custom doors that just a little bungalow door just to get you right in there, just keep that all cozy in there. And yeah, so you probably want to see the inside. The roof just pops off, just nice, easy like that. And yeah, the interior, we had quite limited space to use, so there's one of those skinny beds, some finished wood cabinets right there, and you can't see it very well, but there is a stove / oven configuration there. And in case you're wondering, you still can get into the truck by just popping that off. That's also connected by 2 studs. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the showcasing of this mock. And yeah.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. No hate in the comments. Thanks.